In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an object in PowerPoint presentation mode. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're in the middle of a PowerPoint presentation and you suddenly need to open another file or object without interrupting the flow of your presentation? It can be quite a hassle, especially if you're not familiar with the ins and outs of PowerPoint's various features. Well, fret not, because this tutorial is specifically designed to guide you through the process seamlessly. First things first, we need to get PowerPoint up and running, so go ahead and open your Microsoft PowerPoint. This can be done by clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop, going through the Start menu, or simply searching for it using the search function on your computer. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you're ready for the next step. Now we're going to open your presentation file. This can be done directly from the opening screen of PowerPoint, which is the first thing you see when you start the application. On this screen you'll find a list of recent presentations, or you can choose to open a file from a specific location on your computer. Navigate through your folders and select the presentation you wish to open, then double click on it or select it and press Open to load your presentation into PowerPoint. Once your presentation is open and ready, it's time to start the presentation in full screen mode. This is where the magic happens. Simply press F5 on your keyboard. This key command instantly starts the presentation mode, taking over your entire screen, ensuring that your audience's focus is solely on your content. The beauty of full screen mode is not just its clean, distraction-free presentation, but the professional polish it adds to your delivery. At this point you might be thinking, great, but how do I open another file or object without exiting this full screen presentation mode? Well, here's where a little known trick comes into play. Simply right-click anywhere on the slide that's currently being presented. A context menu will appear with several options, but for our current purpose, you're going to look for Hide Presenter View. Clicking on Hide Presenter View will adjust the presentation mode so that PowerPoint does not assume you want to use the dual monitor presenter's view. This is particularly useful because it streamlines the presentation on your primary screen, making it easier to manage what your audience sees. After you've hidden the presenter view, you're now in the perfect position to open a file or object while your presentation is still running. This step is a game changer because it means you can bring up additional information, videos, documents, or any relevant object without having to stop your presentation or show your audience the behind the scenes of your desktop. It keeps the flow of your presentation smooth and professional, ensuring that your audience remains engaged with the content you're presenting. Remember, the key to a successful presentation is not just what you present, but how you present it. Being able to seamlessly open objects or files during your presentation without interrupting the flow is a testament to your preparation and technical prowess. It shows your audience that you're well versed in handling the tools at your disposal, ensuring that their focus remains on the content rather than technical difficulties. So to recap, start by opening PowerPoint and selecting your presentation file. Launch the presentation in full screen mode by pressing F5, then right-click to adjust your view settings by hiding the presenter view. This setup allows you the flexibility to open other files or objects without exiting the presentation mode, offering a seamless experience for both you and your audience. And there you have it. With these steps, you can enhance your PowerPoint presentations by opening additional objects or files smoothly without missing a beat. Practice this a few times to get the hang of it, and soon it'll feel like second nature. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this guide helps you deliver more dynamic and engaging PowerPoint presentations. Keep experimenting with PowerPoint's features to find even more ways to make your presentations stand out. Happy presenting!